All right, gang. Today, we're gonna do maintenance on my friend's car, the camera guy, the guy that is filming. If you look to your left or to my right, here's the car that we're gonna do some maintenance to it. Beautiful Jeep Wrangler 4x4. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the fluids in the axles. Front axle, rear axle, and transfer case. These are the fluids we're gonna use for front and rear axle. This is what we're gonna use for the transfer case, and these are the tools that we're gonna be using. Also for the transfer case, since there's skid plates, we're gonna be using this so the fluid can just slide through here and not make a mess. And we'll show you as I change the fluids under the car. All right? All right, key thing though, when draining the axles, okay, the first thing that you should do is always try first the filler bolt. If the filler bolt doesn't work, don't unscrew the drainage bolt. So filler bolt first, and then second drain bolt. Also, by the way, the car needs to be level. Make sure the car is level before you start doing this work. Otherwise, the oil that you're going to put in the axles is not going to be. It's either going to be too much or too little. So make sure that the car is level. All right. So this is the drain bolt.
So wipe off all the contaminants.
Yeah, it has some metal pieces, which is normal.
You don't feel any metal chunks, do you?
No metal chunks whatsoever.
And that's what you're worried about. This is all normal wear.
No, this is perfectly normal. We're just gonna clean it, and we're just showing you this to see how it is, but there's nothing wrong with it. So what are we going to be doing after we clean up the bolts? We're going to put some Teflon, chemical resistant, on the bolts, and it's going to be not at the beginning, towards the end, so when you tighten it, it's sealed. We're going to use the torque wrench, 25 foot-pounds of pressure, torque, and we are ready with the Teflon on the drainage plug. So we're just going to put it in right now. There you go. Guys, stop farting, man. Oh.
There you go. You turned it that time.
All right, so now it's good. Done. 25 foot-pound of pressure. As I told you previously, you always start with the filler plug. So let's take the filler plug out. Wow, that was very easy, by the way. Very, very easy. Let's see if this one is leaks like the one in the... See, this one is not leaking. Look at that. Completely dry. All right, so this is the filler valve in the filler plug. Now, let's take the drainage plug. See, this one is sticking out. Actually, it looks very clean. Honestly, this one looks like it needed some oil. Let's put in the drainage plug. Let's clean it up first. And now put it with your hand. Yeah, why is this? Oh, there you go. Good. Done. See? it went in probably a quarter of an inch further in than it was previously. But now it's tied to 25 foot-pound of pressure. Before it wasn't. Alright. Alright, that's the farting sound. That means it's done, so we need to do the other one. Let's try it now.
It's coming out, I think. Yeah, it's coming out.
Right. I think we're good now. All right, let's clean it. All right, so now we're going to do the transfer case. First, as always, the filler plug. We're gonna unloosen the filler plug first. If that works, then we go and unloosen the drain plug. All right, the filler plug is coming out. All right, let's put your invention here. Aluminum foil.
And we can do it without, I don't care.
No, it is. It makes, I mean, I think it hopefully makes less mess. But let's bring it all the way over here. Less of a mess, right?
Well, that is the plan.
This must be aluminum. Everything aluminum inside, most of it. There's nothing there. It's super clean.
Sweet.
Look at that. Nothing.
Good.
Super clean.
So what do you think of my aluminum foil?
I think it was a great idea. And both of them are exactly the same. We emptied the transfer case fluid. We cleaned the drain plug. We put Teflon tape in it. I put it in by hand. Now I'm gonna torque it to 25 pounds of pressure.
21.
21?
21 on the transfer case.
Oh, it's 21. All right, so it's a good thing that you mentioned that because I have 25. So
Yeah, 25 for the axles.
So it's 21 for the transfer case. So I'm gonna change it to 21. Good catch there, by the way.
You're welcome.
I thought was all of them the same pressure. All right, that makes sense because this is aluminum.
Same torque.
Yeah. All right, 25 pounds.
25, 21.
21. There you go. This is almost empty, man. You think we're gonna need another one?
God, I hope not. Oh, slow down. It's coming out. It's coming out.
All right, gang. This car is done. I got all dirty. I'm not gonna get paid for dry cleaning. I banged my knees on the frame of the car coming out. It's hurting like hell. And I tell you one thing though. The fact that the dealership is charging $700 to $800 to do this job when the material, the fluids cost $80, or I think it was $90, was it $90? It's extortion. It's a very simple job. It's just Joe and I make things complicated. That's how we are, but it was a very simple job. If you can do it at home and save yourself $700 to $600. Till next video.
In your face.
In your face.
In your face. All right, now I'm recording.
You gotta be kidding me, man.
I'm recording now. What you saying?
I did all of this for nothing. And we're gonna be using a torque wrench, 25 foot per pound, right?
Foot-pounds.
Foot-pounds. Take 2. Wait a minute. Is this? Actually, my camera guy is the one that did this. Look how he gives me the oil, guys.
Hey, it's protected. You're not spilling it, are
This
you?
is what I had to deal with.
No, you're not spilling it, are you?
Yeah,
You got the cat
definitely not spilling. Jesus Christ! Open the damn thing. Diarrhea, constipation. I'm gonna let you take the little piece of aluminum paper.
Yeah? You're going to like that, aren't you?
Yeah, it's a classic.
Yeah, I learned that shit, and then I adopted it for my the Harley.
A cooking school.
I used it on the Harley to keep
In
it
cooking
on.
school. And then we do some pull-ups. There goes 1, 2, 3, and let's go ahead and take this out.